When the world had completely forgotten God, one faithful man still listened carefully when heaven spoke. God commanded Noah to build a massive ark, even though the sky remained perfectly clear above him. People laughed openly at his faith, trusting what they could see instead of believing God's warning. Then the sky suddenly darkened, and the warning everyone ignored slowly began unfolding before them. Rain poured without stopping, and faith became the only place left where true safety existed. Faith saved Noah long before the world finally realized that God had spoken absolute truth.